So many times I didn't miss you. I know how to call when I want to. Now you got way bigger issues.
Hi guys, good morning. How are you doing? So today is day 3 of Agadir, and today I did not go to the gym. I think I woke up quite late and I'm very hungry. I want to have breakfast, so I'm just getting ready for breakfast. Then this afternoon I have something to do. This afternoon we're going quad biking. Yesterday when I go back I was very tired. So I was meant to close out the 1 and the 2 vlog, but I did not. Hopefully I will be able to end it well. If not, welcome to a new vlog. If not, welcome to a new vlog. My name is Senti, and if this is your first time seeing this beautiful face, thank you very much. Please do consider subscribing and turning on your post notifications so that you guys will get notified when I post a video. So yeah, right now just get ready for breakfast. Then after breakfast I'm probably going to come back to the room to just get dressed, to take some pictures, edit some videos, then get ready for quad biking in the afternoon, because it's in the afternoon. Get ready for quad biking in the afternoon. I hope you guys have been enjoying this video so far. I hope you guys have been enjoying it. As for me, I've been enjoying shooting them and I've been having fun. So, let's continue having fun together and tell someone about my channel. Thank you. Hi guys, so right now we finished having breakfast and I don't know, I'm always facing the sun. I'm always back in the sun. I want to face the sun to take this video. And right now we're heading towards the pool. We want to just relax a little bit. I hope you guys can see me and I hope I'm in view. We want to relax a little bit, get some sun on our skin so that our melanin can pop. Hope I've not just said rubbish. My group is leaving me. But anyways, we want to just go get some drinks, then just relax by the poolside. If possible, maybe swim a little bit. I'm not so sure because I really don't want to get my hair wet, but let's see how it goes. So yeah, we are here to get drinks. Hi guys, so we wanted to stay at the infinity pool, but the way it is looking right now, the infinity pool is filled up with people. So basically it's as if the people just come here, camp, then go. Because look at, let me show you guys what I'm dealing with. Can you guys see a lot of towels, but the pool is empty? So that means that, look at over there too. So what it means, what it means is that there is no space for you to put your stuff. There's no place for you to rest. So what I'm going to do is that on Monday next week, I'm not going anywhere. I'm not doing any tour, nothing. I'll come here and camp here. Early in the morning when I wake up, I'll come here, put my towel, then go and have breakfast. When I finish having breakfast, I'll go to my room, sleep small, come back. My towel will still be there because it looks like that's what people are doing. That's what it looks like. Because why am I seeing so many towels and nobody in the pool? Nobody. But it's all good. Now we want to go to the beach area, just like walk a little bit, just go and see what the area is like. And there's this tiny gate to get there. Life is good, vacation is good. Have fun, you guys. Have fun while on vacation. Don't be like me. Don't be like me. Thank you. Beach access is from 7 to 7. Oh, the bicycles, you guys. I don't know if they're bicycles, but I'm simple with bicycles. Some people with bicycles.
I thought you did bring bicycles. Yeah.
No, thank you. So this is the outfit of the day. Just this two-piece and my socks and my canvas, because we are going quad biking. Bye. So right now we are we are on our way to have lunch. After lunch, we're probably going to take a couple of pictures. Then after that, we are going quad biking. It's quad biking.
Yeah, it is.
Quad riding or quad bike riding or something. Quad something, sha. So that's what we're going to do next. And time is currently some minutes past 1, so we do not have enough time to eat lunch. So we have to just go in there, eat as fast as possible, come out, take pictures, then go to the tour bus and get ready for our tour for today. Yeah, so it's been good. I've been enjoying myself. The sun on my skin. You guys know when the sun is on my skin, I usually misbehave. But anyways, that's what's going on right now. So let's go and eat. Hopefully I don't overeat today. I hope I can just respect myself and take only salt. If not, I am finished. But let's see how today goes. Let's see.
Ten years later.
Hi guys, good evening. So the time is currently some minutes to 7, and we have a dinner reservation for 7 o'clock at one of the restaurants. So basically the hotel has like I think 2 or 3 restaurants where you can just like book or rather schedule, I think it's book, where you can book dinner reservations and all of that. So basically we are doing that today, and I think it's going to be like an a la carte or set menu or something like that. So it's going to be quite fancy with candles, and you and your partner or you and whoever you booked it with who you want to go along with you. But yeah, I think in the restaurants, children are not really allowed. I guess I'm not really sure. I'm not 100% sure. We'll have to get there and know if children are allowed or not. But anyways, that's what we are just out here for. Have some drinks while we wait for our dinner reservation. Yeah, by the way, the quad biking stuff, you guys, I almost died looking at the mountain while I was riding. I was just looking like to the side, and just a very tall mountain. At some point it was like very down, and I was like, oh my god, what's happening? Like, if I should just mistakenly make one mistake and just like turn my hand the wrong way, it's over. I was going to tumble and go away. I was going to leave. You guys were not going to see me here again. But my God had other plans for me, and I'm here. But anyways, yeah, I just wanted to give you guys, that update and just let you guys in on what is happening. And I'm just chilling here, just watching people swim and make noise. But it's good. Let me show you guys. So basically, after dinner, I think there's an activity that's supposed to also happen today. I can't remember what it is. I actually saw it. I actually saw the name of the activity and all, but I can't remember what it is right now. But when it's time, we're going to go to the activity together. I'll show you guys what's happening. And I'm going to go to bed early today. There's no way, because I'm really tired. Like, the quad biking stuff it's wore me out completely. It's wore me out. I'm very tired, but I still have to, serve you guys face and, do all these things so that I'll keep you guys happy. I'll talk to you guys later. I would, let me just sip my drink and enjoy myself. Bye.
Niggas want me to get ratchet. Niggas want me to attack it. Put the hood on, all the time me cashes. Aren't you like Bob Saget? Greedy, I can't pass it. Eating everything, nigga, no fasting. I don't care much you knew me in the past tense. I ain't no Julia style, this ain't no last dance. Way past it. Wait. Fucking on my ex, cause he validate me. Fucking up a check, I don't want no receipt. Mind get possessed, let my spirit speak freely. Hey. My past can't escape me. My pussy precedes me. Why all the time change? I'm still playing the victim and you still playing the pick me. It's so embarrassing. All of the things I need living inside of me. I can't see it. It's so embarrassing. All of the love I see living inside of me. I can't see. I'm blind.